Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another very cool interesting car, and this is the first time I have ever added this in my collection, and this is a Kaido House Mini GT, and you can see this is a 175 number Nissan Skyline 2000GT-R Kaido Street V1, and it comes with a red color. I haven't opened it yet. Yesterday only I bought this car, and there were a lot of cars that was in my view, right? I wanted to get that Silverado also, but due to budget constraint I just bought one car, and another is Tomica Premium F40, so that also I'll review soon. But yeah, just see this overall box. You can see metal body, chassis, alloy wheels, opening hood, and it comes with this Nissan Motorcorp official license product. You can see the age is 14 plus. TSM model sticker is slightly bended this side, misplaced, sorry, not suitable for children under 14 years. It's a pure collector model, right? So let's unbox it and see now how it is from inside. My hands are shaking. I never had this Kaido House since I started collecting, right? I never bought any Kaido House because of the higher price they offer. So okay, so from here also you have to get it out. Okay, nice. Should for now. Wow, it looks very pretty, guys. Okay, now it gets, get it out. Okay, nice. They have some plastic like this and some paper on it. Paper is very smooth. We'll keep this aside. Here it is, beautiful red color. Oh my god, look at this. Just seeing it off camera, I wanted my eyes to see it, not from the camera. It's very good, guys. Very heavy, and it's my first Kaido House. You can see my camera placement over there, the reflection of this. Little bit smudge on here, I'm not sure why, but it looks new. Very clean as far. Very clean car, guys. That's why I bought it, because there is no livery, right? It's very clean. There is no unnecessary brandings overall, right? Very clean car. Let's open the hood now. Not sure how it opens. Okay, guys, we are back, and I have opened this with some tools. I'm not sure like why this is so much tight. In between I just broke its one mirror also, just to fix it quickly over here. Very delicate mirrors, guys. Like I'm not sure why they have given this delicate mirrors. Like small pressure also breaks them. Very delicate. I will fix it later, it's not a problem. I just wanted you guys to see now how the interior is and how the engine is, right? Let's see the engine first. You can see it's written Nissan 2000 over there, right? And some gold plating over there, some battery components. Kaido House written over there. And yeah, you can see the interiors. It's a right hand drive car. Mirrors have a little bit dust on it. Inside also Kaido House written over there. The dashboard have some carbon fiber plating over there. Wipers, Kaido Works written over here. I like the golden wheelbase actually. You see this, both are different. See if it's clipped on. And this mirror I broke actually, but not a problem. Let's carry on. You can see the plastic inserts. I think there are acrylics over there. You can see, right? Very cool looking grill over there, and it's written GTR in middle of it. Very chrome finishing types, and a very clean car actually, if you ask me, right? Very clean car. Something is written here, add one on the tires. Purely a straight look. On the back also you can see Nissan written over there, GTR. Exhaust and the tail lights. Looks very good. You can see some cage types over inside from the back, right? You can see this red wire going on. And inside from the back, Skyline written over there. And they tried to build a cage on, like the safety cage something from the rod. So that gives a different touch to it. Talking about the base, it's written 1972 Nissan Skyline 2000GT-R, under license, made in China. Little exhaust. These wheels are made of rubber. If I just place it here, right, you can see how muscular it looks from the side. How the tires are came wide along with it, right? Very cool looking car, guys, if you ask me. I had that one choice to get that zero darts in one, right? But I thought like to get a clean car, and you can see the fuel cap over here, right? It's very good. And see how it rolls. It don't roll pretty good, but yeah, it works. And that's all for this car, guys. Weight wise it's pretty heavy. I wanted to tell that also. Yeah, and yeah, that's all for this car. We will meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.